Hello, examiners. This is Amanda Tantalian from West Boca Raton High School, and today I will be answering the Creative Critical Reflection question number 3. How did your production skills develop throughout this project? The first way I would say that my production skills developed was through learning how to use the software called Photoshop. Through learning how to work with Photoshop, I learned how to edit my pictures and create a poster or magazine of basically anything I could imagine. I learned how to change the opacity of shapes. I learned how to make different shapes. I learned how to use different fonts, etc. This is definitely going to help me later on, because Photoshop is just a very useful tool with making posters and magazines. The second thing that I learned was how to use conventions. By conventions, I mean cover images, puffs, and page numbers. I learned how to use them, I learned when to use them, and I learned how they can make a magazine better. For example, images will bring a lot more color and life to a magazine, especially if they go together aesthetically. Puffs are great to call attention to certain information that needs to stand out. And page numbers are great to stay organized, and they're an essential part of magazines. The next skill that I learned throughout this process was how to take good pictures and photography skills. I learned about the rule of thirds, setting exposure, balancing elements, symmetry, patterns, and cropping. These skills are a mix of skills taking pictures and also editing pictures. I learned a lot about how to edit pictures on my iPhone. The next skill I learned was about research. Although I have had practice with research before, this project has taught me more about researching non-scholarly things. I had to research trendy topics, which often came from blogs, websites, social media, and even the real world. Thank you so much for listening.